So in today's lesson, we are going to learn about one-step equations. One-step equation when there is a one variable and you need to find if it is a question like this, x plus 3 and equal to minus 10 suppose. So what x has to be? Yeah, so the best way is, first of all, you can put equal sign underneath equal sign, okay, and whatever number is here, that is plus 3, put opposite sign with same number. So it is plus 3, so you do minus 3 both side. Okay, so this plus 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled, so we are left with x, then again equal sign, and this minus 10 and minus 3 is minus 13. Okay, and here we are using same thing, if it is same sign, then you need to add, and then opposite sign, then you need to take away or subtract. Okay, take away or subtract. Then after doing this, put sign of big number, put sign of big number. Okay, this is what you need to do it. Okay, so like here minus 10 and minus 3, so minus 10 and minus 3, so if you see here they have same sign, minus and minus, so same sign means you need to add, so 10 and 3 is 13. Then put sign of big number, so 10 is big, 10 is having minus sign with it, so we can put it minus 13. Okay, now let's see couple of more questions. Okay, I can give you a few more example. If it is x plus 5 equal to minus 7. Okay, so this is another example. So first of all, you put equal sign underneath equal sign. It is plus 5, so you can put minus 5 both side. Okay, whatever is sign here, you just put opposite side and same number, opposite sign and same number both side. Yeah, so what happens, this plus 5 and minus 5 will be cancelled out. So what is left here on the left hand side? Just this x, and minus 7 and minus 5, so it is again same sign, add, so 7 and 5 12, and put sign of big number, that is minus 12. Okay, now if it is like this, minus x plus 5 and minus 8, so still method will remain same. Put equal sign under the equal sign. Here is plus 5, so you can put minus 5 here and minus 5 here. We want x should be left on the left hand side. So what is happening, this plus 5 and minus 5 cancelled. Okay, plus 5 minus 5 cancel, what is left here, minus x, and here they have same sign again, minus and minus, so same sign means add, so 8 plus 5 is 13, and put big number sign, minus 13. Okay, now we want x, we don't want minus x, so what we can do, if we divide by minus 1 both side, divide by minus 1 and divide by minus 1, so this and minus cancel, x divided by 1 is x, any number if you divide by 1 you get the same number, and this minus and minus cancelled out, 13 divided by 1 is 30. Okay, and if it is like this, x over 3, and here it is 5 over 4. Okay, so how to do these questions? So very easy, there is a equal sign, so you can cross multiply this with this and this with this. So 4 times x is 4x, and 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, again we want x, who's troubling here, 4, so let's get rid of 4. So how we can get rid of it is 4 times x, so you can divide by 4 here, divide by 4, cancel, so we got x is 15 over 4, and if you want you can write down answer in mixed fraction. So how many 4 can go in 15? So answer is 3, because 4 times 3 is 12 and plus 2, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 over 4. Okay, you can write down in a fraction. Is that okay? So we always follow opposite approach here. Now another question I can explain you. This is in a different way, like x minus 7 and here it is 8. Okay, so what we need to do, first of all you put equal sign here and see what is here. It is minus 7. So you just do opposite of that. So opposite of minus sign is plus. So instead of minus 7 you can do plus 7 and plus 7 both sides. Okay, so minus 7 and plus 7 cancelled out. So we got x, and 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, now practice questions for you that you need to do it and then you can show your working. Yeah, so practice questions are here. So let's write down here practice questions. These questions you need to try. So first question is x minus 3 minus 5, x plus 2, it is 8, minus x minus 5 minus 7, and this side we can give you x over 4 equal to 5. Now here x over 3 equal to 6 over 5, and the last question is 3x plus 5 equal to 20. Okay, please pause the video and have a go now. Okay, so first of all you put equal sign here. Here is minus 3, opposite of minus 3, so it will be plus 3 both side. For balance you need to do it both side. So this is cancelled out. It is x. Opposite sign means take away. 5 take away 3 is 2, and big number sign minus 2. Now here plus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2 both side. So this is cancelled. X. If there is no sign, it means there is a plus sign. So opposite sign means take away. 8 take away 2 is 6. So x equal to 6. Here, if you do plus 5 both side, so this is cancelled. Minus x, and they have opposite sign. Opposite sign means take away. So 7 take away 5 is 2, and big number sign. But we want x. Here it is minus x. So what we need to do? Divide by minus 1 both sides. So minus and minus cancel. X, minus and minus cancel. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Here there is no number, so suppose there is 1, and then you can cross multiply. So 1 times x is x, and 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, now here 5 times x is 5x, and 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so we got 18 here. Now divide by 5 both sides, because we want x. We want x. So extra number is 5 here. So we can divide by 5 both sides. So divide by 5 here, divide by 5 here, cancel. So x we got 18 over 5. Can we write down in mixed fraction? Yes. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 16, 17, 18. So that you add 3 and divide by 5. That's your answer. Okay, plus 5 and 20. So what you need to do here, you can do minus 5 both sides. So plus 5 minus 5 cancel. Here we are left with 3x. There is no sign, it means there is a plus sign. So plus and minus, opposite sign means take away. So 20 take away 5 is 15 and big number sign. Now we want x here. Okay, we want x here. So extra number is 3. To get rid of this 3, you can divide by 3 both sides. This 3 and 3 cancelled out. X, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. This is your answer. I hope everybody is okay. Everybody is okay, guys? Okay, that's fine. Now, couple of more questions, more practice question now. Okay, guys, here are more practice questions. There are 6 more practice questions. Please try to solve. Yeah. First question is a plus 3 equal to 4. So you can do minus 3 both sides. So this is cancelled. And 4 take away 3 is 1. So we got a equal to 1. Let's solve b part. B is c minus 6 equal to 4. So what you need to do, you do plus 6 both sides. This will be cancelled. 4 plus 6 is 10. So C we got 10. Okay. Now let's go for D part. Okay. So that is 15 equal to G plus 4. Okay. We want G here. So what we can do? Minus 4 both sides. So 15 take away 4 is 11. This is cancelled and it is G. Okay. Now next one is D. D is 21 plus H equal to 23. So we want H. So minus 21 both sides. So this is cancelled. 23 minus 21, that is 2. Okay. Next question is E. E is 11 equal to K minus 6. So you can get rid of plus 6 both sides. Okay, and 11 plus 6 is 17. And the last one is F. So F is L minus 7 equal to 14. So you do plus 7 both sides. So we got L and it will be 21. Okay, so this is what we have learned today, one step equation. Okay, so in my next lesson we are going to do two-step equation. Okay guys, everything is clear now? Yes? Okay, thank you for writing in the chat. Thank you very much.